The MC34063A series is a monolithic control circuit containing the primary functions required for DC to DC converters. These devices consist of an internal temperature compensated reference, comparator, controlled duty cycle oscillator with an active current limit circuit, driver and high current output switch. This series was specifically designed to be incorporated in step-down and step-up and voltage inverting applications with a minimum number of external components. Refer to Application Notes AN920A/D and AN954/D for additional design information. Features operation from 3.0V to 40V input low standby current limiting output switch current to 1.5A output voltage adjustable frequency operation to 100 kHz precision 2% reference NCV prefix for automotive and other applications requiring unique site and control change requirements. AEC-Q 100 qualified and PPAP capable. These devices are PB free, Halogen free /BFR free and are RoHS compliant. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button.